Good evening. My name is Josue Buyamba and my topic is feasibility study for the implementation of a remote reading system for water meters. I'm going to start my presentation. Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, I'll cover these 5 points. I will talk first about the problem, the methodology, the key findings, the cost estimation, and finally I will talk about the conclusion. Problem. The problem in this research is water utilities carries out a manual reading of indexes with all the consequences such as some readers are not faithful in their way of transcribing the indexes, and in case of anomaly the responsible for invoicing is forced sometimes to send another reader, which is a loss of time. And in the absence of subscriber, if his water meter is not accessible, the subscriber is billed at flat rate, so this is also another disadvantage. Based on the problem definition, the following questions were identified to be answered in this study, and thus we want to find out what kind of index reader should we use and how to realize the radio coverage and to transmit the indexes. So my methodology. First, we have proceeded by the identification of subscribers, and we have chosen a sample, and we have submitted to them a questionnaire about the quality of water services. And going further, we also collected some secondary data concerning the procedure of billing. About the implementation, we have chosen the radio transmitter and the data concentrator, which is capable of ensuring the transmission of data in an external environment. Now we are going to talk about the key findings. And to implement our project, we have made some technical choices, and we opted for a radio transmitter that can be shown in this image. A radio transmitter Eva Blue, and the data concentrator is our RDC due to its technical performances. Thus, concerning the area to be covered and according to technical features of data concentrators, for a total coverage, we will need 3 data concentrators, as it can be shown in this image. You can see where we have identified the three places where we have to implement our concentrators. After the installation of all the infrastructure, we must proceed to acquisition and processing of data, which are indexes. In practice, what happens, a request will be sent from a computer in the form of a SMS message to the concentrator to collect information, and the information thus collected will be sent as a message to the PC of the operator or water utilities office, as it can be shown in the image. And at the end of our study, we should estimate the cost of our project, and the total cost of our project is estimated at 139,355 euro. Conclusion. At the end of this study, it has been shown that for a number of subscribers estimated at 1,500, we must install 3 data concentrators, and that should communicate with meters. And as the first head of water supply, the government should be implied for the fast setup of this project, because without hesitation we can affirm that the current system of billing constitutes a real shortfall for the company. Thank you for your attention.